Yo guys, it seems like everybody is disappointed in these upcoming Air Jordan ones. You probably should already know what they are by the thumbnail and by the title. But it's good to build some anticipation. You guys see, I still have not checked them out. So it's the best time to do it with you all. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and check these joints out and kind of see if it passes the verdict. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if it's a cop, a drop, a pass, and all that stuff in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of them ones, man. Your boy is back, and I got to bring you guys a couple of early looks. We start off with the Steel 10s, and now we're here with another one. So if you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking up the vibes. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you run them likes up for your boy, DaVinci. We just now coming back, so I need all you guys' support, comments, likes, reactions, all that good stuff on every single video we drop. It would not go unnoticed, and it'd be greatly appreciated, man. All right, man, so we got the early pack in. Let's get right into it. And we got the Rambo knife. Probably ain't gonna live up to the hype, but if it was released about 6 years ago when they originally dropped, you guys would have been all over the Rambo knife. So let's go ahead and get into an early Jordan 1 sneaker that a lot of people been having some mixed emotions, mixed feelings. Everybody energy switched up over the span of a couple of years, almost a decade now since it's released. So let's go ahead and get into the package. Let's get into these things. They're already going for like under retail, I think it is. Shout out to Go That for getting these over to your boy DaVinci. You can see, bro, it's just a break. You was a no teller, no brainer what these are right here. You guys see the orange Nike up top with the shattered all the way around, which is super cool. So of course, with time you got to change some things up, add a couple different specs. And these right here, I don't know if they try to make them better or try to make them to the exact OG, but you guys already know the box is different, the color's different, all that stuff. Let's go ahead and read the official colorway, and it reads Air Jordan Retro High OG Black Sail and Starfish. I got these in a personal size 9.5. Your boy love Jordan 1s, and I'm rocking out with a lot of Jordan 1s in terms of going to the gym, throwing something on real quick, and this is a Grail, bro. These are technically a Grail, but people are complaining about them. So let's see if I can be the same. So go ahead and flip the top open and check out the sneakers live in their flesh with you guys. So let's see what we got. And yes sir, here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 1 shattered backboards, and you just give me OG vibes off rip. They just remind me of the whole hype train, the whole hype fest over the original shattered backboards, but I can see that they look different. But if you did never seen the original shattered backboards, you would be in love with these things right here. I gotta be honest with you guys. Again, man, shouts out to the lovely Gold app. Again, check your size. You probably can get them right now for under retail. I was going let me go ahead and grab these things for the channel. Let me show you guys what they're hitting for. Come with some extra laces. Got some Starfish orange laces inside of here, and of course it comes equipped with the black laces. I think the white laces will go crazy in these. I've seen a lot of people rock white laces with their Air Jordan 1s. It don't matter the colorway. I just keep seeing people rocking the shattered backboards, any Jordan 1. I see white lace, and it actually does look pretty cool. But all first rip, man, the quality is crazy, bro. The quality is crazy. And again, I don't have the original shattered backboard, so I don't know about that shattered backboard quality. You guys know, y'all heard it for 10 years now. I've been doing YouTube for well, it ain't been 10 years, but it's been, feel like I've been doing it for 10 years. And all we used to say is shattered backboard quality this, shattered backboard quality that. And I'm not gonna lie, the quality is really good going all the way around the sneaker, as you guys see, even lit up to the wings logo up there, man. The leather and the plushness is definitely there, I must say. So off first rip and off first impressions of the sneaker, you guys let me know how y'all feeling these. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Y'all passing on them? Is it because the colors is different? I don't know. I'm just gonna be honest and say that I do think that this is, if you've never seen the OGs, you would love this, rendition to it, or reimagined shattered backboards, because you got the dope box, you have a difference in color, but I feel like the quality is there. But again, I don't have the OG, so I need you guys in the comment section that do have this shoe and the original, and kind of let me know does it live up to the hype, the shattered backboard quality hype? I'm still unpacking some sneakers. You guys see they're not all the way there, but another shattered backboard sneaker that we did get that people hated on, which I did not mind, the whole plexiglass feel or the rubber feel, whatever you want to call it. This was a crazy funky Jordan 1, and I think it was pretty cool them adding something different on it, but kind of like a trash bag all the way around, an orange trash bag on the back. I don't know. But again, you have your 1.0s. And I believe these were like the 3.0s, I want to say, because we got another one in between this one, or it was one after this. One of the two, I don't know. But again, all you guys care about is these 2025 guys. And let me know, man. And I do want to say, right, if I'm not tripping, I'm trying to get it away from the light. I think this is like a slight sellish hit to the midsole, if I'm not mistaken. It might be a slight hit of sale, but again, man, sometimes the lighting and the camera don't be doing the shoe justice. So I be trying to color grade and help you guys out. If you got some B-roll shots of the sneaker, but again, bro, these are cool. I like them. You know what I'm saying? They don't live up to the hype, of course, back in the day, but just to have the shattered backboards is super cool. And there was a Grail of mine, so it's a Grail checked off the list. And really now all I need to do is go back and get my bread ones. I still don't have a pair of breads. It's kind of crazy. I need help. SOS, size 9.5. Bread ones 2016, or I might just reach back or wait, because we are getting a bread high 85 later this year in like November, so we shall see how that release goes. But you guys let me know how y'all feeling about them. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it a pass? Me myself, this is a personal, I always want the shattered backboard, so I don't know how y'all are feeling about it. Again, I've been off YouTube for about a week, and things changed in the span of hours. So we shall see how this goes. But I know if there was limited, I know if they threw a little exclusivity tag on there, everybody and their mama will be all over the shattered backboard. So I don't care if you say all they bricks, they track. Right, just be honest. Let me know how you feeling about them. And minus the hype, what is your verdict on the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboards? Because I think it's cool, man. I can't complain about them. Although it is a color, you know, a little bit of color difference. But, you know, you throw them on feet and you got the shattered backboard. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys run them likes up again. Comment down below. I need to see everybody's comments about these, you know, shattered backboard guys. And again, I see why y'all probably hating a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the OGs. But it did throw some cool stuff on there. You know what I'm saying? Check it out right there. Got the rim in there, or this might be the backboard. No, it's the rim with the net on the insole. You know, a couple of little different hits that I think made the shoe different. You know, it's like a reimagined shattered backboard. So we got to appreciate that at least. But again, I know people are highly disappointed in this, you know, classic Jordan 1 colorway. It's like a Grail of mine, and I know it's a Grail of a lot of people's, and you know, you probably be a little salty. But again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, run them likes up ASAP Rocky, and go ahead and comment down below what's your verdict, what's your thoughts, what's your opinions over these shattered backboard guys, because me myself, it's a keeper for me. I don't know about y'all. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and with all this being said, your boy the Vintage gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.